Good morning students. Students, today we will continue our exercise 4.4 with question number 4. Students, question number 4 is find the product. Product means, as you know, multiplication of rational numbers here. Students, now the question is 1 minus 1 upon 2, 1 minus 1 upon 3, 1 minus 1 upon 4. This dash 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 means continue till 1 minus 1 upon 10. It means students 1 minus 1 after 1 minus 1 upon 4, 1 minus 1 upon 5, then 1 minus 1 upon 6 till 1 minus 1 upon 10 will come. Students, here between the brackets no sign is given. It means there is a multiplication sign. Student, first of all we will solve 1 bracket. So 1 minus 1 upon 2, students, it will be 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 upon 3, I am doing in rough column students. Here I am doing 1 minus 1 upon 3. It will be LCM 3. Then 3 minus 1, it will be 2 upon 3. So what will come here? 2 upon 3. Students, why I have put here multiplication sign? Because in between both the brackets no sign is given. It means there is a multiplication sign. Now again here multiplication sign will come. 1 minus 1 upon 4. This will be 3 upon 4. Now next student, 1 minus 1 upon 5. 1 minus 1 upon 5 when you will do, it means you will get 4 upon 5. So like this student, 4 upon 5 will come. Students, this series will continue till upon 10. Like 1 upon 2, like 2 upon 3, 3 upon 4, 4 upon 5. Then with 5 we will start 5 upon 6. Then with 6 we will start 6 upon 7. Then 7 upon 8, then 8 upon 9, and then 9 upon 10. Till here students it will go. Now students, you can see all are in multiplication. So we can use cutting method here. From 2 and 2 we can cut, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5, 6 and 7. Till 9 we can cut. Okay students. Now students, what is remainder? Here only 1 is remaining upside and downside only 10 is remaining. So your answer student will be 1 upon 10. Okay student. So this was very simple question. Only we solve the bracket, continue till 1 upon 10, and then we have used cutting method. Now students, next question, question number 6 I am taking here. Students, in question number 6, the speed of a car is 55 1 upon 2 km per hour. How much distance will it cover in 12 2 upon 3 hours? Students, here we are to find out the distance, and the formula of distance, as you know, this is speed multiplied by time. Speed is given and time is given. So first of all students, we will write a statement, that is speed of a car. Students, our first statement is speed of a car is equals to 55 1 upon 2 means 111 upon 2 km per hour. Next is distance covered in 12 2 upon 3 means 38 upon 3 hours. So students, distance will be speed multiplied by time. Student, speed is given 111 upon 2 multiplied by time. Time is 38 upon 3 hour. Here students, kilometer per hour is given for speed, and there here multiplication hour for will come for time. 111 upon 2 kilometer per hour, 38 upon 3 hours. So here we can cut hours with the hours. Now we will use cutting method. 2 ones are 2, here 2 ones are 2, and 2 nines are 18. 111 we can cut by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9, then 2 is remaining. It will be 21, 3 sevens are 21. Now students, 37 multiplied by 19 kilometer. So what will be your answer? 37 multiplied by 9, it will be 703 kilometer. So students, here what will come? First of all we have written statements. Then we have used this formula of distance, speed multiplied by time. Then we use cutting method. So students, here we have completed our exercise 4.4. Rest question number 7 and question number 5. This is also word problem based on multiplication that you can do by yourself. Now students, we will start exercise 4.5, our last exercise of this chapter. This is based on division of rational number. Okay students, so first of all I will discuss division of rational numbers. Now students, our new topic for new exercise, division of fractions. Here students, suppose P upon Q is given rational number and one more rational number R upon S. Here students, we are to divide this P upon Q by R upon S. So students, this is very important and very easy. So this P upon Q we will write as it is, and this R upon S means this right hand side of this division mark we can do reciprocal. It will be S upon R. But when it will be S upon R? When we will write S upon R, this division sign will convert into multiplication sign. Again student, I am explaining. P upon Q we are dividing with R upon S. Then here at the place of division we will write multiplication sign, and then this R upon S we will do reciprocal S upon R. This method students we will use to solving question in exercise 4.5. Now one more small topic I am taking here, that is reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of rational number. Students, now reciprocal and multiplicative inverse of rational number. Reciprocal means students opposite. Multiplicative inverse means students opposite. So students, suppose reciprocal of 1. Reciprocal of 1 will be student minus 1. Because 1 is having positive sign, so its opposite will be minus 1. Now one more example students, suppose one rational number I am taking here, P upon Q. Then its reciprocal. Its reciprocal will be Q upon P, just opposite. Numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. The reciprocal of P upon Q will be Q upon P. Now one more important thing students, the rational number, the product of rational number and its reciprocal will always be 1. The product of rational number and its reciprocal will always be 1, because we can cut Q by Q and P by P, then what will come? 1 will come. Now students, exercise 4.5 question number 1. Students, question number 1, part 1 is minus 4 upon 7 divide by minus 22 upon 35. So first of all I will write minus 4 upon 7 divide by minus 22 upon 35. Now students, I will use as I told, when the division sign is here, we can make this one right hand side we can make opposite, and we can put multiplication sign in between. So it will be 35 upon minus 22. Okay student, now easily you can use cutting method. First of all, this minus sign you can cut with the minus sign. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. Now 2 ones are 2 and 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now student, upside 2 multiply 5 and downside 1 multiply 11 is given. It will be students 10 upon 11. This 10 upon 11 is your final answer. Now students, second part. Students, second part is minus 35 upon 28 divided by minus 10 upon 49. So here student, minus 35 upon 28, I will put divide sign minus 10 upon 49. Now students, I will do reciprocal, then again I will use cutting method. Here students, I have cutted this minus sign with the minus sign. Now with 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35. Then with 7, 7 4s are 28 and 7 7s are 49. Now student, upside 7 multiply 7 and downside 4 multiply 2. It will be student 49 upon 8. This will be your answer. Now students, question number 2, evaluate. Students, now question number 2, part 1, 5 upon 11 multiply 16 upon 10 divide by 16 upon 55. Here student, first of all I will solve this bracket, and in this bracket multiplication sign is given, so I can use here cutting method. So here student 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. Now again 2 ones are 2, 2 eights are 16. And here students I can convert into multiplication sign and it will be 55 upon 16. Here students 1 multiply by 8, downside 11 multiply by 1 and multiply 55 upon 16. So in next student 8 upon 11 multiply 55 upon 16. Again I will use cutting method. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 11 ones are 11, 11 fives are 55. Now 1 multiply 5 it will be 5 and 1 multiply 2 it will be 2. So your answer will be students 5 upon 2. Students, now question number second part. Student, in this second part, two brackets are given. So first of all, I will solve these two brackets. So here students, again I will use cutting method. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50 and minus sign will come as it is. Now 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24, then again minus sign will come as it is. Now student, minus 1 multiply minus 2, downside 1 multiply by 4. And here students I can use cutting method. 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 9 ones are 9 and 9 nines are 18 with minus sign. So here minus 9 upon 6 will come. Students, here minus sign, with minus sign I can cut. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Then here 1 multiply 1 it means 1 and downside 1 multiply 2 it means 2 will come. Here students 9 upon 6 I can cut with the 3. 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. So here minus 3 upon 2 will come with division sign. Now in next step students I can write 1 upon 2 and here if I am putting multiplication sign it will be reciprocal, opposite 2 upon 3. Now 2 ones are 2 and your answer will be student 1 upon minus 3. It will be your answer students. Now students, question number 3 I am taking. In question number 3 student, the product of two numbers minus 2 upon 81 is given. If one of them is minus 9 upon 35, find the other. Student, this type of question we have done in multiplication also. Here what is given? The product of two numbers. Product means student multiplication of two numbers. So first of all we will make a statement. The product of two numbers, we don't know that two numbers. So we can write dash dash. The product of two numbers is equals to minus 25 upon 81 and one number is minus 9 upon 35. So I can write here minus 9 upon 35. I don't know that number. Next one. And he is saying find the other. Suppose other number I am taking here x. Now I am to find the value of x. It will be remain here. Now minus 25 upon 81 it will be remain same. Now minus 9 upon 35 I will transfer that side. It is with the multiplication sign, so it will go in the division sign, minus 9 upon 35. This now student x is equals to minus 25 upon 81. I am putting here multiplication sign, then it will be reciprocal 35 upon minus 9. Now I can cut this minus sign with the minus sign. Now you can see here students, we cannot cut. Here we cannot use cutting method because all are not coming in same table. 25 and 81 is not coming. Diagonally also it is not coming. So directly I will multiply and find the value of x. 25 multiplied by 35 students, it will be 875. And downside when you will multiply 81 with 9, it will be 729. So other number is 875 upon 729. So minus 9 upon 35, when you will multiply with 875 upon 729, you will get minus 25 upon 81. So students, in our today's class, we have completed exercise 4.5. Students, now like this students, we have completed our chapter number 4. In next class students, we will start new chapter. Okay students, have a nice day all and thank you.